Good morning. It's wet, it's cold, I've got a drip on my head, and I've just woken up to a diesel or something, I don't know. That's the drip on my head, but we're all good, we're going now. Here we go, I'm in the van. The van's got a new real motor in it. It's all in there, we're just gonna try and start it. I'll do something wrong with the starter motor or something. Got it dripped on my head hard out. Yuck, look at that. Bloody van. We're heading towards Nelson anyway. Sorry about the boys that hit the whatever the name was. I've been trying to, I don't know. I just need to address this. So many texts and I don't know how to. It takes so long to get my phone charged up to do anything, and then by the time I do get charged up I want to take a video or something, because I haven't taken videos of it. I've missed out on so much good footage, done so many cool things, but I have got heaps of cool stuff too. But we are going to Nelson, we are going in now. I'm in the van, on a trailer, having a sleep. Storm's driving, Charlie's still driving the wagon. Ash has fucking got a rental car for some fucking thing. I don't know what's going on there either. He's a rental car, he thinks he's, I think he's still Christchurch even. Yeah, I think it's Tuesday. It was a Monday. I'm not sure. Monday or Tuesday. Here's Charlie. Fucking annoying fucking thing. God, it's loud. So obnoxious. It's quite good this morning, but it sounded pretty good then. Yeah, so what can I say? Man, so this is my situation. Tractor's right out of diesel. Now we're all good, we got diesel. We got no money, but we have got money in the fucking all these different accounts everyone else is holding. But we have got it there somewhere. But I haven't got a card to fucking spend. But oh fuck. We have had an awesome trip anyway. That's the fucking main thing. Oh, Omar's the man. Thank you, Omar. Such a good dude. And yeah, I think we're going to see a couple of cool RS2s here. From Riley. But yeah, Nelson, here we come. We're at the top of the North Island. Sorry, West Coast. I wanted to come there, we were meaning to come there, but it's just the factors of life. It's fucking wet and miserable. We were trying to get there last night, but we ended up fucking sleeping on the side of the road, I think. They're like Hammer, I don't know, at like Springsy something or something. I don't know. Yeah. Been a couple of long days. Now Extreme still got a blown all through the lines, so it's fixed that. I don't know, hopefully it's not fucked. I don't think so. I hope not. I hope not. But yeah. We're gonna pull the van off at Nelson anyway. See if we get it going. Might as well do my RX3 at the same time. But yeah, Nelson, we need to do some skits. We got a van full rebuild, an Omar backyard special. So that'll be a holding motor. That'll be go good. Yes. So yeah, Nelson, we need to do some test driving today. Can you help me out with a spot? Please. Be there soon. Getting beaten up in the back of the van. Got the G unit. Wait. 40. Yo, that's my fucking update for today.